Now in previous lecture we have talked about velocity, acceleration. Now here we are going with the kinematic equation for uniformly accelerated motion. Now we know the types of motion, types of acceleration, also motion, also uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Here uniformly accelerated motion. Now we have got the definition, or we have understood the acceleration. Now we will assume here let an object is moving with some velocity that we are calling it as an initial velocity. We are calling it as an initial velocity, which we are taking it as a u. It is moving with some initial velocity at time t, initial velocity. Okay. Now after time t, we have directly taken a duration t. After time equals to t, its velocity changes to v. Velocity क्या हो जाती है? चेंज होके v पे आ जाती है. So we can write here final velocity is this v. Now simply if we go with the definition of acceleration, we know that only time rate of change of velocity, time rate of change of velocity, time rate of change of velocity, that is acceleration, and we are representing it by a. Acceleration, which we are going to represent it by a. Acceleration is a vector quantity, and we know velocity is also a vector quantity. Now according to definition, first we will find the change in velocity. So change in velocity, we have got this final velocity minus initial velocity. Final velocity minus initial velocity. Okay. So final velocity, that is v, and initial velocity, that is v. We have got the change in velocity. Now time rate of change of velocity. This is the change in velocity. So we can write change in velocity divided by the time taken. Change in velocity divided by the time taken. Now we already said that after time t, an object moving with initial velocity u, after time t means direct time duration is given to us, or we have taken it. So v minus u upon t. This way, what we have got? We have got the acceleration. Okay. Now if we go through this here, what we have got? A v minus u upon t. Okay. Now simply if we write it in terms of equation, a is multiplied with t, v minus u. So finally what we have got? V is equals to u plus at. This is the first equation which we have got. This is the equation, first equation. Okay. Now simply what we have gone through the definition of velocity, acceleration. Okay. So what we have got? We have got first equation of motion. Okay. Now we will move towards the second equation of motion, which is also simple. Now we have taken this, let an object is moving with initial velocity u after time t and final velocity v. Now how much distance it has covered? It is not mentioned in this equation. So we are assuming as distance is covered. As distance covered. Now see here, if we calculate this average velocity here. Average velocity according to this will be u plus v upon 2. Now we know average velocity means velocity is equal to, we know the distance or displacement covered s, and the time taken, this t. Time taken is t. So we can have this equal to this. So we can write this u plus v upon 2 is equal to s upon t. Okay. Now just we have got this relation here. V is equals to u plus at. We can substitute this value since we know that V is equals to u plus at. V plus u, V is equal to u plus at. Now we are going to substitute here. So what we are going to have now? We will see that u plus a into t bracket close divided by 2 and this t multiplied here and we are getting this s. Okay. Now what we have got? This is 2u and t is multiplied 2ut plus at square divided by 2 which is equal to s. Now we can separate it 2ut upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 at square which will give us the s. So finally what we have got? We have got the second equation of motion, that is 2 to 2 cancel ut plus 1 upon 2 at square, or simply we always say s is equal to ut plus half at square. This is the second equation of motion. This is second equation of motion which we have got. Okay. Now we have got this first, we have got this second. Okay. Now we will go with the third one. How we are going to have that we will see. And this. Now here we have got this V is equals to u plus at. This is our first equation. Now see here we have got this average velocity. Again I am taking this expression, all the parameters are the same. Whatever we have taken the assumption, जो assumption हमने लिए हैं, initial velocity u, t time, final velocity is v. So again we are taking this average velocity. Now average velocity which is u plus v upon 2. Okay. Now we know that average velocity is equal to s upon t v upon 2. And from this equation, if we go with this, we are having this, I am writing it here, u here, which I can write it like this. I can write it like this. Now, I can take this v minus u upon a which is equal to t. The time taken that we can calculate with the help of this equation also. So now what I have to do? I am taking it here. 2s, I am multiplying this with this. U plus v, multiplying this time over here t. Now we have got this relation. We can substitute this relation here now. So it is 2s which is equals to u plus v into v minus u upon a. We have substituted the value of t. T की value को हमने substitute कर दिया. Now see here, we have got a very simple equation 2as, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So instead of this we can write v square minus u square. So ultimately what we have got this equation v square which is equals to u square plus 2as. This is the third equation of motion. Okay. Simply from the definition of acceleration and velocity, we have got these three equations of motion. Okay. These are the kinematic equations for uniformly accelerated motion. V is equals to u plus at. This is our first equation, which we have got. This is third equation of motion. Here we have second equation of motion. So this way we have to go for deriving the equation of motion. Only if we are having acceleration हमको पता है कि definition पता है, we can assume these values, initial velocity, final velocity, and come to have an equations. Okay, so this way we have to go for kinematic equation for uniformly accelerated motion. Okay, in next we'll go with some numericals on the equation of motion.